Once we release a quote for your approval, you have an option to reject it or to place an order. To do so, first go to your dashboard and then go to Quotes. Here, you can update your search to show all the quotes that you currently have. Another way to do this is to search the quote by name or order number. It can be entered right here. Click OK, and you will see your results right here. When you found a quote you need to approve, open it, and on the bottom, you will have two choices: to reject a quote or to place an order and accept it. To email your account manager or any other DTS staff, go to Project Team and click on the blue envelope or the person's name to send them an email.